Welcome back to ET Music. Thanks for joining in. In a previous video, we talked about the staff and the lines and the spaces. We talked about the G clef and how that helps us find certain notes on these lines or spaces. We talked about these notes, and there's also others, but these are the most common: your whole, half, quarter, and eighth notes. They can be placed on either a space or a line. There's no way to tell what two letters on the keyboard these two notes reference without a clef. Now the F clef, normally it's placed here, and in between those two dots indicates where the F is on the keyboard. It's a particular F on the keyboard. As we talked about in the previous musical alphabet video, we discussed how the musical alphabet goes from A to G and it repeats itself. So there's multiple groups of the musical alphabet on the keyboard. And those groups can be grouped in what we call octaves. A through G in that first group of letters will be considered either A1, B1, C1, and so forth. And then we'll go to the second octave. This particular F that the F clef is outlining is F3. So it's the F located in the third octave on the keyboard. And then we can go backwards in the alphabet. If we go down a space, we'll know that's E3. Then if we go up a space, then we'll know that's G3. And when the F clef is in this position, letting us know that the second line from the top is F3, it's more commonly known as the bass clef. Occasionally, we'll see the C clef. This clef indicates, you guessed it, where the letter C is. And where it is wherever this pointy guy here is, wherever that lands on, is C5. If we say the alphabet from this middle line here, which is C5, now this note is E5. Completely different than F4. So the clef is what determines where these notes actually are on the keyboard. For my students who are watching, the question that you'll need to answer for our next lesson is, what is the name of the C clef when it's placed on the staff highlighting the middle line? And the answer is the alto clef. And that's how clefs work. In the next lesson, we're going to talk about how the bass clef and the treble clef work together to make the beautiful music that we are so used to hearing on the piano. Thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe to the ET Music channel. Check us out on the ET Music Facebook page, and also more information on online piano and voice lessons at focusonprogressnotperfection.com. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.